Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about JavaScript basic array methods, which enables us to remove elements from the array, which enables us to add elements to the array at the end, at the beginning, or at any position. So here we go. Alright, as an array in JavaScript are mutable object, we can easily add or remove elements from the array. And it dynamically changes as we modify the elements from the array. The first JavaScript array method is the push method. This method is used to add a new element at the end of the array. Let me take an example right here. Here we have my favorite fruit list right here: apple, avocado, mango, orange, banana, and papaya. So having this, I have an interest to add this lemon at the end of this fruit list. So what we are going to do is, using the push method, we can add this element at the end of the array. So here we have fruits. Here we have fruits.push and the element that you need to add. In this case, lemon is my favorite fruit. So now using document.write method and then curly braces and then parentheses, inside this parentheses we're going to have fruits right here. So now when we execute the program, here we have apple, avocado, mango, orange, banana, papaya, and lemon at the end. So now, in order to know the array length right here using fruits.length, here we have the array length is 7, right? Alright. The question may be, what do we do if we want to add a new element at the beginning of the array? Alright, so to add a new element at the beginning of the array, you can use the unshift method, just like this. Let me take the first example. Let me take the first array right here, and now we are going to add lemon at the beginning of this array. So what we are going to do is, using this unshift, fruits.unshift and lemon right here. So now when we execute the program, as you can see here, the lemon fruit is added at the beginning of the array, right? Lemon, apple, avocado, mango, orange, banana, and papaya. So again, here the array length is 7, right? Alright, this may be another question from you. Is it possible to add multiple elements at once to the array? Oh yeah, the answer is yes. You can add multiple elements at once using the push and the unshift method. So here we go. Let me take the same example. Let me take the first example, and now we are going to add two fruits right here, two elements right here at the beginning of the array. So using unshift method, and now list out the elements that we are going to add to the array. From here we have lemon, my favorite fruit, and pineapple, also my favorite fruit. And then using fruits.unshift. Alright, so now when I execute the program, it prints out lemon, pineapple, apple, avocado, mango, orange, banana, papaya. Alright, again, from here we have an interest to add lemon and papaya fruit at the beginning of the array, and strawberry and watermelon at the end of the array. So to perform this operation, what we are going to do is, using this unshift and push method, you can add this list of these fruits to the array. So in order to add lemon and pineapple at the beginning of the array, we are going to use unshift method right here. So fruits.unshift lemon and comma pineapple semicolon, and then in order to add strawberries and watermelon at the end of the array, again we are going to use the push method right here. So now when I execute the program right here, document.write and fruits right here, when I execute the program, it prints out lemon, pineapple, apple, avocado, mango, orange, banana, papaya, strawberry, and watermelon. So from here, as you can see here, lemon and pineapple add at the beginning, the fruit lemon and pineapple add at the beginning of the array, and the strawberries and watermelon are added at the end of the array. So you can add multiple elements either at the beginning or at the end of the array. Here we have the array length. The array length, as you can see here, is 10, right? Having this, now let's jump right into how to remove elements from the array. Alright, to remove the last element from an array, you can use the pop method. This method returns the value that was popped out. Here is an example. Let me take the same example, and now we are going to remove the last element from the array. So, var fruits, apple, avocado, mango, orange, banana, and papaya, and then in order to add which element is going to removed, so let me create a variable var last element fruits.pop right here. So now this method uses to know which element is going to be removed. So document.write, here we have document.write, and then document.write fruits.length. From here the array length was 6, but from here after removing the last element the array length will reduce to 5. That's it. Similarly, you can remove the first element from an array using the shift method. Here is how you can do this. Alright, let me take the same example right here and var fruits and var, let me create variable name, first name, and fruits.shift, and then document.write fruits. So when I execute the program, it gives the apple removed from the list, right? And avocado, mango, orange, banana, and papaya are left from the list, right? So you can add and remove elements at the beginning and at the end of the array. Alright, the question may be how to add or remove the element at any position. So in the next video, we will learn about how to add and remove elements at any position from the array. Alright,